How to make an instant cold pack. The creation.
Materials. You need 19.5 grams of ammonium chloride and 51 milliliters of distilled water and 3 Ziploc bags, 1 big and 2 small, and hands if you can afford them.
Procedure. Fill one of the Ziplocs with the ammonium chloride. Fill another bag with the distilled water. Put both of the bags in the bigger Ziploc bag and close it.
Hypothesis. I think the bag is gonna turn cold because the 2 Ziplocs containing the ammonium chloride and the distilled water will pop and the 2 chemicals in the big bag will mix, and as a result it will become very cold.
Variables that may affect the outcome are not breaking the Ziploc, or not ironing the bag, or not having the precise measurements of materials.
The temperatures are 20, 19, 18, 15, 14, 14, 14, 16, 20, 17, 16, 16, 16
degrees Fahrenheit.
Result in revision. Overall, when we close the big bag over the other 2 bags, we would have rather ironed the big bags shut because we could not pop the small bags and we have to make some adjustments.
Conclusion.
When the 2 bags inside the bigger bag are popped, the chemicals inside the smaller bags mix, and the mixture instantly becomes colder and stays cold for a while.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.